To turn on and use optimized charging for Motorola Moto G86 Power, first of all we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to find the battery. Click on it and then go for the optimized charging. Now to activate it, you can use this switch right here and turn it on and off. And now to actually use it, before you start enabling these options, make sure to get a schedule when you usually charge your device, for example overnight. That way your phone will basically try to learn that pattern when you are charging your device, as I said, for example during night, and then it will charge your phone up to 80% of battery and stop charging after before you wake up, for example at 7 a.m. Hour before that it will charge up to 100% to preserve your overall battery lifetime. So that's how it works and that's how you can use it. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.